Set up to x-axis, I believe. I'm just going to walk the table over a little bit. To the right. As far as we go, we're a little tight onto both machines here. I'm going to change the direction. Probably go a little quicker to the left. Now we're going to go to the y-axis. Lower the speed a little bit. Stop it there. Slow it down a smidge more. Change direction. And we're going out. It should come this way.
Nice. And you can see the Z shine on the TV. This one goes, you know, this is working just fine too. Then there's programs in there, but we don't want to run them because we're afraid we're going to hit a mill. Until we move this out of the lineup, we don't want to run a program because we don't know what the program is going to do. But there's programs in there. You can pause.